Grilling, fishing, golfing. The age-old Father's Day gifts. But you know why they're such great Father's Day gifts? Because dads love them. So consider this a public service announcement as another great grilling idea for Father's Day. Or maybe you just like to grill or barbecue and try new and different ideas.
Yeah, that's one fine-looking barbecue pit.
Either way, if you like grilling, you're going to want to tune into this one because it's cool. This week's new to Lou 2 is the Wing, Drumstick, and Rib Grill Rack by Best South Barbecue. Best South barbecue makers John and Donna Irwin spent years perfecting John's rib recipe. While discovering a newfound love for chicken wings, they were frustrated with swapping between different grill racks, so decided to make one to grill it all. John's multifunctional solution does the grill job for ribs or chicken with just one sturdy design. The stainless steel skewered rack can hold ribs on one side or accommodate up to a whopping 36 chicken wings on the other side, or 10 drumsticks. It maximizes that grilling space without adding to the clutter of needing a specific rack for each job. It's made with sturdy stainless steel construction, dishwasher safe, and goes for $45. Their website has tons of recipes and tips. It'd be a great gift for that barbecue lover. Maybe you're the barbecue lover. It's made right here in the USA. One rack does it all. For more information, visit HouseSmartsRadio.com.
That's this week's Noodaloo 2.